The positivist approach in sociology is most evident in work of Emil Durkheim. In the Rules of Sociological Method in 1895, he argued consider social facts as things. So social fact क्या होते हैं? जैसे हमारे beliefs, customs, institutions. तो सबसे पहले हम लोग देखेंगे what are the characteristics of social facts. ये क्वेश्चन यूपीएससी 2024 में भी आया था. Describe various characteristics of a social fact. तो पहला characteristic होता है externality. Social facts are external to individuals. They are impressed upon them by society. They exist outside the individual and can therefore be objectively studied objectively as external things. So Durkheim believed that social facts like customs, laws, religion are not born inside our minds. They come from society and they exist outside of us. So the social fact is external to the individuals. Some other examples जैसे कि religious beliefs, practices, laws and customs, language. So these are all examples of social facts and they guide how we behave and communicate. So social facts are external to individuals. तो ये तो पहला point हो गया. दूसरा point है independence. Members of society are directed by collective beliefs, values and laws which have an existence of their own. This means that social facts don't depend on any one person. They continue to exist even if individuals change. For example, school rules. They don't stop existing if one student leaves the school. Next, we come to coercive or constraint. Now, social facts constrain the individuals to behave in a particular way. Social facts not only exist but also have power. They force us to follow them. Sometimes subtly, sometimes through law or punishment. So, they are coercive in nature. For example, the practice of arranged marriage. Many people follow it due to pressure from family and community, even if their personal choice is different. So social facts are coercive in nature. Other examples like institutions of law, education, belief, they are commanding and obligatory for all. सब पे ये command करता है. Now, whether the school timings or traffic rules or laws like dowry prohibition, these all must be followed. They act as invisible guides. So social facts are coercive in nature. Next comes generality. Now, social facts is more or less a general occurrence in society. So, social facts are not one-time events. They happen repeatedly across a group or society and they are not unique to one person. जैसे कि ये idea कि sons carry forward the family name. Now, it is widely believed across different castes and communities in India. It is general and not individual. तो अगर अभी हम ये देखें क्या क्या कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स है. पहला है एक्सटर्नैलिटी, मतलब सोशल फैक्ट इज एक्सटर्नल टू द इंडिविजुअल. दूसरा है इंडिपेंडेंस, मतलब कि इट इज इंडिपेंडेंट ऑफ द इंडिविजुअल. इट इज कोअर्सिव इन नेचर एंड दे आर जनरल अक्रॉस सोसाइटी. एक्सटर्नैलिटी, इंडिपेंडेंस, कोअर्सिव एंड जनरैलिटी.